Hey Sweaties, how's it going? So recently I switched up my skincare routine and I feel like it's been helping me a lot, so I thought I'd share it with you today. By the way, in these clips, I'm back from a night out and I'm quite drunk, so please excuse that. Also, I have a cold right now, so sorry if my voiceover sounds a little bit weird. So first you're gonna wanna get all your hair out of your face. I take off my makeup using this Micellar cleansing water. It was just the cheapest one I could find. I put on this cotton pad then and I just swipe it all over my face. It says you don't need to rub, but that's kind of a lie. So yeah, there's just me getting a thumbnail there, and yeah. So then I take this Soap & Glory Vitamin C facial wash. I think it's pretty good. And yeah, there's just me being drunk. And then I take about a grape-sized amount and I just massage that in my face in like circular motions. It smells really nice. Kind of reminds me of lemons, but it says it's something else. And then I just rinse off with water. Please don't take this clip out of context. They say you should pat your skin dry, but I almost always rub at my skin, which is probably why it's not the best, but there you go. So if I'm using a sheet mask, I like those Soap & Glory ones, or Seoulista ones that I'll leave in the description, but my skin needed something kind of more intense that day, so I used a L'Oreal Glow Clay Mask. It kind of will help neutralize my scarring, I think. So I leave that on for 20 minutes and wash it off with a face cloth, so I'll come back to you when I've done that. Oh my god, how did we get to my room? That's crazy. Whoa, editing magic. Okay, so then I go in with this toner. It's Pixi Rose Tonic. It's supposed to help calm your skin and then take off any excess makeup that's still there. I don't know if it works. Suppose it's expensive, so I'm gonna use it. Did I kind of forget that I'm filming there? Sorry. Here I am. Hello. What am I eating? So then I use this Nivea Soft Moisturiser. It's real thick, so it's good for my skin in this dry winter weather. Then I go in with the second moisturizer. It's supposed to help clear your skin and prevent blackheads, so that's why I use it along with the other one. Lastly, I use this Dr. Spot Breakout Cleansing Gel right on my spots. I forget that I'm filming at this point of the video, so sorry you can't see me do that, but did you really want a close-up of my spots? Anyway, there you go. That's the whole thing there now. Just a quick little video of my whole skincare routine. Let me know if you liked the video or if it helped you in any way, and I'll hopefully see you another time. Bye, sweaties!